Why this Kashmir files? To humiliate one section. What is this Kerala files? Though I don't support the CPM people, I am talking about the people. I am not talking about the CPM party because they are working with BJP. Instead of me, it was their duty to criticize it. But they work together. I'm sorry, I will request the state government chief minister, very sad that your party is working with BJP. And with that BJP is showing the Kerala files a distorted stories. Even since few days ago, since now, the party nominated some stars nominated by BJP, funded by BJP. They came to Bengal also. And along with some distorted stories, the concocted stories, they are preparing a films, Bengal files. If they can prepare the Kashmir files to condemn the Kashmiri people, what is the fault of the people? We respect each and everybody. That is our constitution. Now they defend the Kerala also, Kerala people also, Kerala state also. Then they will every day they are defending their narrative to defend the Bengal also. Even I came to know that they gave some poster in highest court that said Bengal. What happened in Bengal? Nothing happened. It's a peaceful, peace-loving state. Why BJP is creating the communal politics?